This video tutorial I will explain how to sort the records in MongoDB. Here you can see the syntax of sort method, and here we are passing the key, and 1 means ascending order, and -1 means descending order. Here you can see the example db.books collection, then find method, then sort, and documents will be arranged in ascending order based on the likes field. And here you can see one more example with projection. Here you can see books collection. It has 3 documents, and it has a likes field. Based on likes field, we will see how to arrange the documents in ascending order, and how to arrange the documents in descending order. And this query will arrange the documents in ascending order based on likes field. And here you can see documents are arranged in ascending order based on likes. If I want to do descending order, then make it as -1 here. Execute this query, and here you can see documents are arranged in descending order. Here one more example with projection. I am running this query, and here you can see we got output, and likes field is arranged in ascending order. If you want descending order, make it -1 here. Execute again, and here you can see it is arranged in descending order. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.